Can a spring planner really be that difficult? It's not. So a few days ago, I posted my video of my spring planner and you guys went crazy over it. But I've been getting a lot of questions of how exactly did I do it? So let me go ahead and break this down for you. If you're new here, my name is Natasha here at my Bougie Farmhouse, where I do DIY, home design, and gardening. And literally, I'm going to take you guys through 2 easy, quick spring projects that I completed in one day. Now, let's go ahead and get into it. Off to Home Depot we go. I'll be taking me to Home Depot because we need to get sand and we need to get some dirt, because what I'm thinking about, and if I can, I might get some pansies because I know they can take a frost. But we got these planters that we got outside of the garage, and so how long we had them? Like 2 years now? We've had it like close to 2 years, and they have not tipped over in 2 years. But then this year they were full of water, so I was just like, okay, well, let's put some drainage holes in it. Well, ever since we put the drainage holes in it, they've been falling over every single time. So I'm thinking if we put some sand in it. Why you looking like that?
Ever since we put the drainage holes in.
I put the drainage holes in there.
Yes.
But I'm thinking if we could put some sand in there, and then the sand will still allow the water to drain through, but it'll keep them weighted. You know what I'm saying? So I'm thinking about picking up a couple bags of sand, and then I know I want to get some dirt because I'm doing like the planters in there, and then we're gonna raise it up by dirt and then all of the crap. And then I also have 2 planters for like these lanterns that we got for outside, like these little street lights. I want to plant those, and I'm actually gonna put like some real pansies in there. And I think I might put up the 2 planters in the front of the house with some pansies too. Just a little something to bring in that spring color, but not enough because we ain't at our last frost date yet. It is still, we got a minute, you know what I mean? So, I think that's my thoughts. I love when I see things outside. Ooh, they got trees. Maybe we can get our lemon tree. What? We're getting a lemon tree. I bet you was a lemon tree down there. Well, we'll see. We got blueberries. Oh, and they're budding. Maybe we should get a blueberry tree. All right, let's see what we got here. I see cherry, I see apple. Ooh, they're already training these apple trees to be like for $110. No, thank you. Ooh, they got a Fuji apple tree though. Ooh, that's a good one. Huh? That's weird. It does. You're right. Because your girls love a Fuji apple. Oh, they got Honeycrisp too. That's a good one. How is it possible? Huh. Very odd. I don't see lemon. I see apples. I see pears, cherries, peach. Ooh, they got a peach tree. But I hear I need to get like a dwarf peach tree. Because I have been thinking about a peach tree. I was thinking lemon and peaches. Well, my kids love apples, so maybe I'll do apples. I don't know. All right, I don't see lemon. You're safe. He be making quick work quickly. I don't see any pansies though. I'm getting upset.
You ain't seen all them pansies on that shelf?
Where? Think that's enough?
8.
Keep going. Do it till you're satisfied. If you want to do more, you can. Because I probably need to do some with the green stalks too. That's why I love them. Look at them. I'm just going for it. Boom. Thank you. What do you see? He pointed. What you want? You want some? What you want, baby? We'll get anything you want. I know. I was thinking about getting more strawberries. Because I was halfway thinking about making a whole bed of strawberries. Especially where your girls go for them. I will never get a lilac again. Let me tell you, I got a lilac from this last year. No, the first year we're here. Still has not bloomed. I don't know if I put it in the wrong place or what. Everburn. It's odd. I probably have to go to an actual greenhouse though. These got a good amount. We're going for these. And you said you saw some pansies? Yeah. I need 4. Oh, they're right here. Nice. Oh, and they're only $1? Oh. Yeah. Give me a whole flat. Please, thank you. Matter of fact, we'll take 2. He's got a good show. Let's get another one. Ooh. Hold up, I gotta put one more in there and fill this one up.
Oh, just one more.
Yeah. Oh no, just one more.
I thought you meant one more pack.
Who knows? We might be back.
Fill it up. Okay.
Yeah. Yes, ma'am. I think this was a successful run and a quick one too, right? Yeah, I always need muscle. I got 2 flats of pansies and 1 thing of strawberries. And I figured we got enough soil to also help like replenish any of the green stalks we need to. And he's gonna die. Look at him. Every time you hop on, you twirl. How it feels for gardening season to start. That's gonna be my next video. How I feel when garden season starts. So my plan is to take this out and then inside I want to be able to put like sand in here right now, and all of these drainage holes are open. Hopefully it'll drain down into the holes, and then it'll drain down into the bottom of the basin, and then I don't have to worry about moving it. I'm gonna try it. We're gonna see if it's gonna work. I'm not sure. I'm not sure if it's gonna work. Right now they're really top heavy, so I'm trying to see if we put a little sand in here. I don't know, I think it's too clumpy. We'll try with this one and I'll see what happens when I come back. I'm gonna give it a little time and see. Hopefully, I don't think it's going to because it's like clumpy. But let's hope. Not that I gotta sit here and rock it for 10 hours. So the sand didn't sink through, but my husband said he felt like it was much more stable with just having the sand at the bottom. So we're gonna keep going. I've been taking like half a bag of this, putting it in, and then I'm gonna have to somehow try not to. Try not. I got these little cedar trees, and we're gonna bury it. And you can actually put some of this wool inside of it. The only thing we gotta do is make sure it's level. I need a little bit more dirt because I don't want to see it. And then this one. I have these fake flowers. Yeah. I have some old ones and some new ones, and I kind of like the fadedness of them because it gives like a variance of the colors. It's pretty cute. And there you are. Cute little flowers around the garden, around the garage. All right, let me show you how they all look together. I got them closed in the garage door so you can see it, but it's just a faux cedar with my fake little plants here, and I think from afar they look just gorgeous. See, look at that. Oh, I'm so excited. I love them. It's perfect. The first gardening project, see? Ah, and it just gives that little bit of like pretty brightness in the middle of the winter, because technically, even though it's spring, here our last frost date is until May 15th, so we got a long way to go. It's only the end of March. We got a whole nother month and a half. So here we go, first spring project. So I'm trying to take these solar planters, and my thoughts is to drill them into the bottom here. Not only will the drill holes help, but it also has holes, drainage holes down the bottom of these Dominique planters already. So I think it should be easy. And then we'll just fill it up and stick it with some pansies. So to achieve this look, the only thing you need is a drill and 1-inch self-tapping screws. You screw that right into the bottom. Because it already has a drainage hole, I have no need to actually add any more drainage holes. It's not screwed tight enough, nor did I seal it up where the water won't seep through. You can test that out once you put in your dirt for sure. If so, then you just need to drill some holes right around the base.
Can you see the screw?
Definitely ain't gonna see.
You are. I don't want no trouble.
You sure you don't? Now bring your back.
No, I ain't keep dumping your dirt either.
Are we not together no more?
Just because we together don't mean I be dumping your dirt. See, that's why the dude always dies before the lady. I was working the man to death.
Good job. Well, there you have it, friends. Thank you all for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial of how I did my spring planters, both of them. Let me know in the comments below, is this something you would do? Would you put fake plants in here just to give you that spring vibe early, or would you prefer like more real plants? As you can see, I do a mixture of both, but I think they give a good impact. So you guys, thank you so much for being here, and if you have not already, subscribe, and I'll see you next week.